इस जॉन चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। दे वर्क एज मच एज आई डू। वे उतना काम करते हैं जितना मैं। आई डू नॉट वर्क मोर देन दे। शी नोज यू एज वेल एज आई डू। आई डू नॉट नो यू बेटर देन सी। शी डज नॉट लाइक यू एज मच एज आई डू। आई लाइक यू बेटर देन आई लाइक यू मोर देन सी। She has more money than wisdom. She has not as wisdom as money. She does not have as wisdom as money. As much wisdom as money. She can't help you as much as I can. I can help you more than she. You can't run faster than a horse. A horse can run as fast as you. He reads more carefully than I. I read as carefully as he. I do not read as carefully as he. I would as soon as die to as kill an elephant. इन्फेंट एक बच्चे को मारने के बजाय मैं मरना पसंद करूँगा। आई वुड नॉट डाई sooner than I would not die sooner than kill an infant. He can solve the problem more wisely than I can. I cannot solve the problem as wisely as he. The man has more money than brain. The man does not have brain as money. If live ass is stronger than a dead lion. एक जिंदा गधा जो है वो मरे हुए शेर से ज़्यादा मजबूत होता है। A dead lion is not as strong as a live ass. A wise enemy is better than a foolish friend. A foolish friend is not as good as a wise enemy. Good health is more important than riches. Riches is not as important as good health. This story is not as interesting as that one. ये कहानी उतनी मेरे वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। धन्यवाद।